wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How is going today? Good? Alhamdulillah. Well, before I get into today's topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Aprilia Dulestari and I am on Southwest Marriage University, majoring in Office Administration Education. Before we talk about bullying on social media, does anyone know what cyberbullying? Right. Cyberbullying is a deliberate behavior to hurt others online that has a hard emotional and psychological impact on the victim of bullying. Alright, today I'm going to talk about how important it is to pay attention to mental health, especially in the context of the digital world filled with social media and the importance it has. So, with the advancement of technology, social media has become the primary means to interact, share, and communicate. However, behind the beauty and excitement that these platforms offer, lies a very dangerous potential. We all know that social media has become an integral part of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to bed, many of us are caught in an unbroken loop of checking, posting, and interacting through these platforms. However, amidst the glitter of cyberspace, we often forget that irresponsible use or negative behavior on social media can have a serious impact on our mental health. In this context, bullying on social media has emerged as one of the biggest threats to our mental health. Unlike traditional forms of bullying that occur in a physical environment, bullying on media social has a wider scope and can reach its victims anytime and anywhere. Whether it is malicious comment, insulting message, or spreading slander, it can easily to be done with one click, without need to face the direct impact of their actions. So, what are the effects of bullying on social media? Does anyone know? The impact of the mental distress experienced by victims can reach several levels, such as increasing the risk of depression, anxiety, even in the most tragic case, to of ending their own lives. Cyberbullying, bullying that takes place in the realms of social media. It's like a double-edged knife. On the one hand, it offers an enormous space for perpetrators to hurt their victims. On the other hand, it exacerbates the hurt to making it a public spectacle in front of thousands or even millions of users. Imagine the shame and inferiority complex that surrounds victims when scorn, insult, and even threats are exposed on their social media timelines. Their privacy is taken away, and the sense of safety in the online space is gone, replacing by deep fear and anxiety. The impact doesn't stop here. The emotional scars inflicted can last a lifetime, impair mental health, and even encourage victims to harm themselves or others. But did you know that bullies suffer too? Yes, bullies suffer too, often without realizing the impact of their action. Behind their bullying actions, cyberbullying perpetrators may be plagued by a deep sense of regret, anxiety, and guilt. Their action, based on anger, frustration, or a desire for recognition, may have led them to a dark place. It could be that the perpetrators' actions are because their social relationship, family, and friends are fractured, tainted with suspicions and hostility. Their self-image in the eyes of Others is tarnished, marked by the stigma of being cruel and heartless bullying. Even worse, cyberbullying can trigger mental health problems in the perpetrators. Unbearable guilt, social pressure, and fear of punishment can trigger depression, anxiety, and even impulsive, self-harming behavior. So, it's not the victims of bullying who are affected. The perpetrators of bullying are also affected. So, how can we prevent bullying on social media? Cyberbullying is not just an individual problem, but also a shared responsibility. Therefore, it is very important for all of us to take concerted actions to prevent and combat it. The steps are: the first step starts with ourselves. Let's pay attention to our words and actions on social media. Avoid negative comments, insult, or hurtful talks. Treat others with respect and empathy, as we would want to be treated. And remember that behind the scenes, there are real individuals who could be hurt by our words and actions. Step 2. As an online community, we have the power to support each other. If you see a friend or another user being bullied, don't just stay silent. Speak out against negative behavior and offer support of the victims. Show them that they are not alone in facing these situations. Third, let's create a safe and positive online environment. If there is bullying content on social media platforms, report it to the authorities immediately and support platforms that implement strict anti-bullying policies. And the last, remember that help is always available. For victims of bullying, do not hesitate to seek help from mental health professionals or other support organizations. There are many people who are ready to help you overcome trauma and recover. In conclusion, in the digital age characterized by social media, cyberbullying is a real threat to our mental health. The impact is not only on the victim, but also on the perpetrators. The emotional scar, shame, and low self-esteem can last a lifetime, even encouraging victims and perpetrators to self-harm. Therefore, it is important that we take collective actions to combat cyberbullying. We must be wiser in using social media, support each other, and create a safe and positive online environment. So, let us together commit to creating a better online environment where everyone feels safe and respected, and make social media a platform for building positive connections, not for spreading hate or bullying. Together, let's change the social media culture to be more supportive and create Indonesia cyberbullying free. Remember, mental health is the key to happiness and well-being in the digital age. Protect ourselves and others from cyberbullying and create a better digital space for everyone. Let me end our topic today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.